So guys, for the first step, you want to find the video that you're having a problem with. You want to right click on it and then click on properties. And now once you're on this, you want to click on security. Now you want to click on advanced. And now this will come up. And now you want to click on change. Now in this box right here, you want to type in administrator and then click on check names, which will now underline administrator, and then click on OK. Now you want to click on apply, click on OK, and then click on OK again. And now you want to click on OK again. For the next step, you want to right click on your video again, and then click on properties. We're going to go to security again. This time you want to click on edit. You want to click on administrators. Make sure that you have deny unticked. Make sure that you have nothing here ticked in deny. And make sure that you have full control for allow selected, which will now tick everything here. So make sure that all the boxes have been ticked for the allow section and everything has been unticked for the deny section. Now you want to click on OK. And then click on OK again, and this should now fix your problem.